Now we've got Google sign-in working, this guy, but we still have to get Flutter Authentication working. Remember, these are fundamentally different. Google sign-in allows us to just simply sign in using Google, but Flutter Authentication or Flutter Auth actually builds on top of that and combines with Firebase. Remember, Firebase has all these APIs underneath it that it uses. So let's go ahead and work on installing this. We're going to say install the Firebase Auth. And let's just close some of these because it's kind of cluttered here. Grab our pubspec YAML. Save that, packages git. And it may take a second. Boom, exit code 0, we're good to go there. Flip back and let's grab this import just in case. Throw this then in here. Now let's flip to the README here. This is one of my gripes about pub.lang is you think that if you did this, you're done installing, and you're really not. So you really have to dig through the README. So usage, configure the Google sign-in plugin. After that, import the Firebase Auth plugin, which we did that. Now we have integration we have to worry about here. We have Android integration, and then there's iOS down here somewhere. Maybe there isn't. All right, so let's grab this. It says add the class path to the project Android build Gradle. So this is the project build Gradle, not the app build Gradle. So let's collapse that. It's right here. And let's just separate these two. Google Auth. That way we know which one's which. Flutter Auth. And let's grab these two out here like so. Now, in my testing, this is where I started really running into problems, and that's why I split the installation into two different videos here. Things went relatively smooth with Google authentication. It's when you go to use Firebase authentication that things get a little crazy. So let's finish this before we really dive in, but there's a reason why I split these two up, and maybe we'll see it. I hope we do, because I kind of want to explain the nightmare I had to go through here. All right, so it says apply plugin, put this at the bottom of your app Gradle. Let's flip into app. And it's already there. Just to verify it's the exact same thing. Bang, it is. So we can simply say, and Flutter Auth both need that. All right, let's save this. Let's bring up our emulator. Actually, just kill the whole thing. And let's rerun it and see what happens. And the exact same thing that happened in my testing. It says, failed to apply plugin. Minimum supported Gradle version is 4.4. Current version is 4.1. If using a Gradle wrapper, try editing distribution URL and then this big long thing. So we have to go through here and let's grab this. And then here's just the path, and it is a big long path. Now, if we look at this in the IDE, it says our path, Flutter, Firebase app, so we're actually in here. Android, bang, Gradle, let's expand this, and wrapper. There's no wrapper folder. Let's go in here. Ah, there you are. There is our jar and our properties. Let's open the properties. And here is the offending line right here, the distribution URL. It's saying, try editing the distribution URL. 4.4, we've got 4.1. So it's under Gradle, Gradle wrapper properties, and let's modify this to 4.4. Let's try running this again. And we should get another error message. I wanted to demonstrate this error because this was kind of a pain. Yep, here we go. Okay, so this is where things got really ugly really fast. What went wrong? Now we've got what's called dependency collision, meaning one package wants these dependencies and another package wants these other dependencies, and they can't really figure out what the other needs. Through my bumbling and messing around, I found out if you simply comment out the services 4.0, I think that was the right one. We'll find out. Bring up our emulator. This should build and push it out to the device, and then everything should work. Got a warning there. Let's just see if it keeps going. All right, it's built the APK and it's pushing it to the device. So now we have effectively installed the Google Auth and the Flutter Auth, and we can start working with the code for them.